Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga ni wavuthisya uteti wa tutam wa kurata kukwata mbau uteti wa usumbi wa President William Ruto nyuvanini wa mwaka wa 2027 vala wathingilila ODM lina wiw'ano na umwe wa kukwata mbau Ruto utetini wake wa usumbi kulani isu. Raila ni wakania yumbe chamani chake alamethitwe maikonia maleve uteti wa President Ruto wa mwaka usu wa 2027 vala wavithwa kanani vatoneka ODM ikethiwa 11 kukitia usumbi kulani nene sia usumbi Benjamin Mwaka ukwelesya.
Tongwesie umbano wa yumbe ungua ODM kumondi Raila nwavuthisya unania wa ODM kwithwa thililite moko utetu wa usumbi wa President Ruto wa mwaka wa 2027 utetu la oyu vatisitwe tutam. Raila aweta ODM thina wiw'ano ona mwa kutwika President Ruto kula nene sio usumbi sia mwaka wa 2027.
Stand for what is right for the party and look at what we have signed, and we must remain as ODM, and we've signed and agreed that we'll work together up to 2027. We have not passed any resolution as a party to say how we're going to go into the elections of 2027. So wherever you are, don't commit the party to some things which have not been discussed. Let those things be discussed first.
Raila yuasa kwa kuvindithia ingi matongo ichamani chake alamethitwe maitumia wiw'ano wa ODM na UDA wa myei mwonza mivitu takeo cha kukwata mbau uteti wa UDA kulani inene sio usumbi.
First, think as ODM, we have a clear plan that we have negotiated and we've agreed on, and let us continue to implement that plan. Other decisions we'll take when the time comes.
Ingi Raila nwavitha ODM ni vatoneke kethiwa 11 kukitia kivila cha usumbi kutitiana na President Ruto vamwe na ateti maolei mwavulini womwe wa United Opposition.
We are ODM. Who's told you that ODM will not have a candidate in 2027? Who has told you?
Amwe mateti chamani cha ODM matongweni mwandiki munene wa chama ki seneta wa kaunti Ilo Edwin Sifuna na yumbe Caleb Amisi undumwe na Anton Kibagendi katuwangi alamethitwe maivua ngwatanio ya Raila na President Ruto mainavika umbanoni uno.
There's a time to lead and a time to acknowledge cheers. Popularity surges and wanes. Cheering must come, change and go. But solid service to the nation brought against all odds stands the test of history. Today, I charge you to soldier on in this course. It is good for our people. It is good for our country. If you act out of conviction, if you put the people at the heart of your maneuvers, if you are sure that our actions are in line with our ideals as a party and our aspirations as a country, the lack of history will be on our side.
Vilingwa mauvu kumavamu sinilovi janito Benjamin Mwaka.